Is Facebook unable to log in? If any day you are a Facebook user but your Facebook is unable to be logged in and you are quite frustrated, do not worry as we have got the perfect solution for this. For this, first of all, you have to check whether you're connected to a stable internet connection or not. That may be your Wi-Fi connection or your data connection as well. After you check it, you have to go to the settings option on your mobile device. After you tap on settings, you can see an interface like this. Now in the search icon on your mobile device, you have to search apps out there. After you search apps out there, you can see an interface like this. Now after you see an interface like this, you have to tap on the first option, that is apps, and after you tap on apps, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to scroll down until you find the very option of Facebook on your mobile device. Otherwise, you can go to the search icon and you can directly search the Facebook as well. After you find Facebook, you have to tap on it and then tap on the option of notifications. After tapping on notification, you have to allow the notifications and allow sound and vibration. You can also go back, and after going back, you can go to the option of permissions. After tapping on permissions, you have to allow the permission to calendar, call logs, camera, contacts, location, microphone, nearby devices, notification, phone, and photos and videos. After that, you can go back and then go to the option of set as default. After tapping on set as default, you have to open the supported links and then go back again. After going back, you have to go to the option of storage. After tapping on storage, if you see any of the cache out there, you have to go to the option of clear the cache and then go back again and then go to the option of app details and store. After tapping on app details and store, you can see an interface like this. Now going to the option of email, you can send your problem to the very Facebook direct there, and after you send the very problem to your Facebook there and Facebook receives your messages, your very problem can be fixed by there. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.